To find people that have been skipped in your scheduling, go to the Calendar tab and click on Schedule to be done. Then select a date range to view. In this case, I'm just going to go a few months backwards here. And you'll notice that the transaction status here will display whether it's pending or in a skip status based on the code inside the transaction file. So if I search on skipped, I get all the skipped records here. Now, if I want to get a printout or listing of those people, I can highlight with my mouse, or I can hit the Control-All key. So if I hit Control-All, it selects all of these rows, and I can say Print Route Selected. I chose style number 1 because it's a simple style over here by the truck, which just lists out people on a sheet of paper with phone numbers. I can also pick it out with 3 phone numbers in case they have more. And then I'll just press OK. And then it'll list out all those people that I just had highlighted before that were skipped. So that's one way of quickly printing out a skipped listing for you here. So again, we're focusing on the transaction status for a particular person. So if you highlight this row and then go over here where it says account setup and go to transactions, you'll see inside the transaction file, wherever you have these orange lines that have 905 on them, that's a skipped service. So that means that you printed out a ticket for the customer for service for that month, but it was never marked completed, thus leaving it in an orange state of 905. And that's how the computer is telling you that it was skipped, and it comes up in the skip list. There's also additional ways to go to skipped that you can find in the system by doing different queries. Likewise, if you wanted to change the color of that in the transaction file, you can go to Company Setup, then General Setup, and under Main Menu Layout here, there should be a color designation. Oh, actually, it's under Transaction Settings. I'm sorry. That you can change that color if it's too hard for you to see. You see where it says 900 through 910 hidden is in orange. You could change that to like a dark maroon or something like that to make it easier for you to see. And that's how you find skipped records.